Hi everyone, Ben here from Full Scope Freelancer. In today's video, I want to show you how to create group calendars and when and why you would use them. So a group calendar simply bundles several of these individual calendars into one kind of group, as you can tell by the name, in order to present clients with multiple different calendars that they can book you on. This is a great option, as you can imagine. For example, what I'm showing you today, if you have like some kind of teaching or coaching or tutoring service, and you have different options for just simply the amount of time people can book with you, or you have different packages that people can book, or different types of teaching that people can book, you want to put them all in one place rather than have multiple individual calendars with different links, maybe on different pages that people have to scroll through, just making your customers' lives easier by presenting them with everything that they would need in one place. So in this example, I have two coaching sessions, one for 30 minutes and one for an hour. And I want, again, just to group them together so that my customers can see that both of these options are available and they can choose the one that works for them. So to do that, I'm going to navigate over to the Groups tab here on the top, and I'm going to add a new calendar group. So let's call this Coaching Calendars. I could give it a description, here are the coaching calendars. I'm not going to win an award for best copy with that one, but that's okay. I would recommend sticking with the Neo type of calendar. Our classic calendar, is just the older version, doesn't have the same functionality. You can't customize it as much, so I would stick with Neo. And then we're going to come down here and give it a unique URL. So let's just say I'm going to call it Full Scope Coaching Options, something like this. And I'm going to create this group calendar. All right, now that we have a group, all we need to do is add the calendars that we want to be a part of the group. To do that, we're going to go back to our individual calendars, and right over here on the three dots on the right, we're just going to click Move to Group. We're going to select our coaching calendar, and here this is just a checkbox for some older stuff that we have that we're kind of phasing out of the account. It really shouldn't affect you any which way at all, the legacy link, so don't worry about that. So we're going to select, and then we'll do the same thing for our coaching session for 1 hour. Perfect. Now if we go back to our group, we'll see the group contains two calendars, and if we come over here to the three dots, we can copy one of the links, copy the permanent link, and if I open a new tab and paste it in there, we will see the fruits of our labor. Now we have a coaching calendar that has all of the calendars we've selected as part of it. So this is now what people will see. They'll see an option to choose from as many calendars as you would like to add to this group. They'll see all the different things that you have available, the different services, especially if you come in and you see, as you can see here, these are just filler description. But if you come in and write something a little more descriptive, a little more persuasive, then people will have an idea of what it is you're actually offering. And then once they click on one of the calendars, then it will take them to that particular calendar where they can complete their booking for that service. So again, it's easy as it can be. Just go to Groups, create a group, and then we add our calendars to that group. And now the link that we share to that group is going to give people the option to see, again, all of these different calendars. And you can, just like with normal calendars, you can create a permanent link. You can create a one-off link that people can only use for one single booking. And you can also embed the code into an outside website or somewhere else on the internet. And of course, if you're building your site with Full Scope, then you can use the calendar element to add this group calendar onto any web page or funnel page as well. So that's how you create a group. That is why you would benefit from creating a group. If you have multiple different booking options that are relevant for your customers, add them all together, make their lives easier, let them see what kind of great options you have available for them through your business, and hopefully you'll be profiting from this great addition to our account soon. If you have any questions, just reach out to our support team through the support portal. We'll be happy to help, and we will see you in the next video.